In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery. Now you can click on Pictures or Albums and find all of your photos that you wish to delete. After locating them, hold the chosen one. And then to select multiple, click on this dot at the top left corner. If you wish to discard some of those photos to keep them, click on the chosen ones, and then to get rid of the rest, tap on Delete at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!